Refugee, pages 147 through 182, quiz. You're first going to put your first name in the box here. Then you're going to add your last name to this box. Then you're going to select your cycle number. Choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. What happened to Joseph and his family when Schneidig and his firemen came to the family's room? A. The family was taken into custody. B. Their room was ransacked. C. They were given special treatment. D. They were escorted off the ship. Number 2. How did Isabel's grandmother, Lita, die? A. She was killed by one of Castro's soldiers. B. She died of old age. C. She died when the boat turned over. Or D. She died during a huge storm and drowned. Number 3. What happened to Mahmoud's dinghy boat that his family was traveling on? A. It ran into some rocks and burst. B. They encountered a storm and the boat capsized. C. The boat was overtaken by soldiers. D. The boat was rescued by the Coast Guard. Number 4. How was Mahmoud's sister's life spared while in the water? A. She was carried ashore. B. She was saved by a Coast Guard member. C. She was handed to someone in another boat. D. She was not saved. 5. How did Joseph's father leave the boat? A. He was escorted off by the Nazi soldiers. B. He jumped into the water. C. He jumped onto the dock and ran. D. The captain escorted him off the ship. Number 6. Where did Isabel and her family land because of the storm? A. Cozumel, Mexico. B. The Bahamas. C. The Florida Keys. D. Miami, Florida. Number 7. Who gave Isabel's family food and water before they left to go to sea again? A. Tourists. B. The Coast Guard. C. A policeman. D. No one gave them food. Number 8. How did Mahmoud keep his mother afloat while swimming in the sea? A. He held on to a large log. B. He took a life jacket off another man and put it on his mom. C. He carried her ashore. D. He used a buoy to keep them both afloat. Number 9. Who was going to be allowed to come off of the boat in Isabel's story when they reached land? They thought they had reached Florida. A. Isabel's grandfather. B. Isabel. C. Teresa, Isabel's mother. Number 10. Why did Joseph's mother pass out? A. She was exhausted from travel. B. The doctor forced her to take sleeping medicine. C. She had not eaten in days. D. She saw a ghost.